This quick video is about how to send a friend request on BeReal app using iPhone. Okay, quickly open your BeReal app. Then tap this contacts icon. Here you can see your friends who are all using BeReal app. Here you can directly send a friend request. Just tap add. That's it. Now you successfully sent a friend request to your friend on contact, and if they accept it, it's done. On the bottom you can see these three different options. Switch this to friends. Here you can see your friends list, and you can also invite contacts directly from here. And using this option you can directly send your invitation link with these apps. Now click this arrow on the top and tap Discovery, and here also you can send a friend request. Just touch their names and click on Add. That's it. Likewise, you can send friend request to anyone in the Discovery tab. That's fun now. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.